The Nexon CAMO Edition, priced from 9.99 lakhs to 13.94 lakhs ex-showroom, and is available across the Creative, Creative Plus S, Creative Plus PS, Fearless Plus PS, and Fearless Plus APS personas depending on the powertrain. It continues to rival the Maruti Brezza, Hyundai Venue, Kia Sonet, Mahindra XUV 3XO, Skoda Kylaq, and Kia Syros. The Camo Edition features two exclusive exterior colors, Munnar Mist and Coorg Cloud, along with camo badging on the front fenders and a camo perforation on the front seat headrest. It's a very important addition. The biggest change is the Tata's 12.3-inch Harman touchscreen infotainment system replacing the 10.25-inch of the previous corresponding variants. The 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster is carried over, and integrated dashcam and that works with the 360-degree camera has been added. Camera-specific additions that is available include the panoramic sunroof, ventilator front seat, JBL 9-speaker audio system, wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless charger, connected car technology, 360-degree camera with blind spot monitoring, and advanced driver assistance systems. The camera edition is available with the Nexon's existing 1.2-liter turbo-petrol, 1.5-liter diesel, and 1.2-liter turbo-petrol CNG option. Output remains unchanged at 120 bhp, 115 bhp, and 100 bhp at the respectively. Transmission option includes 6-speed manual AMT, 7-speed dual clutch automatic depending on the engine and variant.